I'm Jordan Grant. I'm the lead manufacturing engineer for SpaceForge. The main idea behind SpaceForge and what we want to try and utilise is the environment of space. We realise that space is such a unique environment where you can get microgravity, you can get a vacuum, and you can also get really high and low temperatures very easily, which are very difficult or nearly impossible to get on Earth. So we want to utilise that environment to make advanced materials to help revolutionise the semiconductor market. It's such a big market, and there are different ways that we can utilise it. So pharmaceuticals, telecoms, all of that kind of stuff is where we want to apply these. It's such a game changer because it just gives us the possibility to do a lot of stuff which you can't do very easily on Earth. So the actual use of microgravity is not such a new thing. It's something that we've known as a human race since the 1970s when we were using the ISS. But it's only recently that we've been able to look at potentially making that more accessible, and that's what SpaceForge want to do. We want to use the environment of space, use microgravity to make things which are very difficult to make on Earth.